Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we're going to be discovering if you are in the right season. We actually have a test to reveal if you are wearing the colors that truly work for you, or if you were told a long time ago that you were this season and that season, you kind of just been going along with it. No more. We're done with that today. All with this fabulous pop quiz we have.
Let me go off topic for a minute. We had a client just this past week who said, I've been told I'm a winter. I've been told I'm a spring.
I feel like that's all of our clients.
It is. It tends to be. And I kept thinking, wow, what if everybody in the world has the same experience and they've been told all these different things and their wardrobe, they don't know. And so I thought we need to develop a test because color analysis, when it's done perfectly, does certain things for you. And I thought if we identify these things and that benefits to you and you're having these benefits, then you can rest assured that you're in the right season. You're doing pretty good. But if you're not seeing these things, maybe you need to keep looking. Maybe you're not in the right season. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to ask you a few questions and I'm going to read them. Bear with me. For each statement that I'm going to give you, I want you to think yes or no. Now, if you need a permanent reminder of this, we have it posted over on Patreon. First of all, when I wear colors that I think are in my season, my skin looks clearer and more even.
Isn't that what we all want?
Indeed.
That should be the question.
That one is one of the questions.
The main question.
Okay. So your answer, of course, you'd put down yes or no. Now I'm going to go a little faster now. So my eyes become more noticeable in a natural way. Mm-hmm. My face looks more awake, alive, and healthy.
Yes.
Under eye shadows do not become more obvious. Redness, sallowness, or dullness does not increase. My lips look naturally present, not faded or overly harsh. I notice my face first, not just my clothing.
We love to say that. Is your clothing arriving in the room before you do, or are you arriving in that room?
Next, this section is for ease in the right colors. I need less makeup, not more.
Mm-hmm. But I always put on a lot of makeup.
No, you don't. No, you don't. But the point is, yes or no? Do you need less makeup or more makeup when you're wearing these colors? I don't feel the need to correct my look with bronzer, heavier blush, or a stronger lipstick.
You know me. I have to wear a warm bronzer, though, when I'm wearing my warm clothes to help warm me up.
Well, okay, but I'm just saying, if you're in the right colors, you're not going to have to pile it on. Mm-hmm. And I don't have anything against makeup. I'm saying, listen to these and see if you are a yes or a no, a solid no. My outfit supports me instead of overpowering me.
Back to your clothing arriving in a room before you do.
Right. And I'm not going to lie. This morning when I got ready to do these videos, I came up and I said to Sarah, I've got this shirt on. I feel like it's a little dark, but I kind of compensated with my glasses. What do you think? And she was like, oh, you look fine. I saw myself on the monitor. I did not look fine. I felt overwhelmed. I looked overwhelmed. So, does your outfit support you or overwhelm you? Yes or no? I feel pulled together without trying very hard. I can wear the color instead of the color wearing me. Now, this morning I had on a fairly deep teal. And, it kind of matches my eyes a little bit, but it was a little darker. And then the glasses matched the teal. But you know what? When I saw the monitor, the outfit was wearing me. So I went back and changed.
A little too heavy.
Yes. Now, this next section has to do with your range. A true season should not depend on just one miracle color. Does yours?
That's interesting. I wear a lot of green, but I support it with other shades.
Yes, and that's what you're looking to do. I look good in many colors from this palette, not just 2 or 3.
We hear that a lot.
We do indeed. I can wear both lighter and deeper versions within the palette. I can wear everyday colors and statement colors from the season. So,
Okay.
do you have some latitude within the season that you're wearing? Neutrals from this season work well for me also. So you should have all of that going for you. I am not relying on any one safe color family to make the whole season work.
Light green.
Sarah, you love green, and
Yes.
it's okay to love a color. It's okay. It's perfectly fine to love a color.
Yes.
I have some colors that I love too, and if you open my closet, one day, slightly off topic, folks. I haven't. I've been pretty good since I'm reading, but one day we should bring in our items folded up that represent our wardrobes.
Not doing
and
that.
just show them, because what you would see with me, you would see a lot of light gray, you would see a lot of a lighter teal color, you would see some blue, but not as much as the teal, and you'd see a lot of peach. And it might be fun to show folks what we tend to choose.
I will take you guys on a field trip to my closet. There's no way I'm pulling down a bunch of clothes.
Well, I clearly cannot take our class on a field trip to my closet, because you would feel like there had been... I have a story. Let me just tell you a story. This is me. So when I lived in a different house, and it was a gated community, and we had security driving around all over the place, and they'd just drive through the whole community and check on us and whatever. And so this will help you understand me as a person. You'll feel like you know me better. And so I had jumped out of the Explorer, and I left the hatchback, up in the back, and I'd run in, I was in a hurry, and I forgot I left it up. So it got to be dark, and it was much later, and all of a sudden, bang, bang, bang on the front door. And so I was like, who in the world is at the door this late? And I opened the door, and it was security. It was the community security. And they go, ma'am, someone has ransacked your car. It was my car. It was just my car. And so I had to tell this nice young man, I was like, no, nobody ransacked my car. That's just my car. And so, so my closet looks like that too. So I would bring my stuff up in a little stack, or maybe share it in Sarah's closet, because somebody ransacked my bedroom closet.
Oh, you wish that could be your excuse. Mine is the complete opposite. Very neat and tidy. So two totally different people here.
And you guys have probably learned this by watching, we have like 480 videos up now.
I have no idea. Can't even tell you.
It's crazy. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little quiz, and I'm sorry to go off topic, but why not?
We have to at least go off topic one
or two times. In fact, when we don't, we get called out on it in the comments.
Do we?
Yes. I have been delighted to read a few comments and comment on them when they said, we like it when you go off topic.
Oh, yes. They do like a good off topic moment, but I will say we have had to pare it down. We're like at a max 2 off topics.
Yeah, we're being good. We are being so good. So understand that. But anyway, that's the quiz. And what we would like you to do for us is in the comments, tell us, are you mostly yes? Are you even Steven as far as yeses and nos? Were you mostly no's?
That's even more yikes.
Talk to us. Let us know.
This is posted over on Patreon as well. So all of you Patreon members, you have this available for you. Remember, if you do join Patreon, we have a lot of our video topics up early, so you can get early access to these things. So at the end of the video or down in the description below, there is a link on over to Patreon. Follow us there. Also, our social medias are down in the comments below. We would love to share more with you. Now, my husband will be upset if I don't mention this. Memberships. We have YouTube memberships available. And when I first launched YouTube memberships, he was not the first person to subscribe. There was somebody else who was the first member. So he is very upset with you. By the way, I hope you know that. He is secretly jealous that he was not the first member and you got it first.
He always is so proud because he sets himself up at as the first member of everything.
He's the first member for Patreon. Wasn't the first member for YouTube. Wasn't our first subscriber here on YouTube. Or he was our first subscriber here on YouTube. So he does try his best. But you beat him to the membership.
Aww.
I know. So, I mean, lucky lady out there. So thank you for joining us today. Lastly, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.